Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Week here, so we love that. We bring up songs for you guys during this full week, and this time we have you LMNL04. That's what I see is your name here on YouTube. You wished for Powfu's and Jomie's song called Heart of Steel. So this is special for you and all you Jomie Powfu fans out there. Let's do this together. And we have a capo high up here. That is because we want to match up with the sound. We also want the easiest chords possible. So that is something we always try to reach for. And therefore, capo on 7th will be the absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have pretty much 2 grips going on back and forth. So that is pretty easy. Let's look at the grips first. And the first one is based upon a version of C. Yeah, somewhat of a C. And what you can do here is to start with 3rd fret A string and really everything else down below, open D, open G, open B, and open E. So that is open, but we'll have to work with the 1st fret B string. I'm going to explain that later, how to do that. That is more when it comes to the strumming and how we're going to utilize that. But that is the first grip, all right? The second grip is the somewhat of a G chord. And what you do here, this is the standard grip for it for this specific song. And we'll work with this 2nd fret G string. But yeah, the grip is 3rd fret E string, 2nd A, and everything down there is open. We're gonna work with the 2nd G string as well. All right, we'll come to that, how to utilize that, but this is mainly a picking pattern song, so we're gonna go right into the pickings here. We're gonna start with the C grip. So what you do here is to place that 3rd fret A string. I use my ring finger for that, and I keep it there during the C part. All right, so I'm gonna play like this. All right, so we're gonna start with 3rd fret A string, then open D, open G, and back to open D. Then open B, open D, open G, and open D. That is the first half into this C chord. So slowly. And then the second half goes like this. So that is 3rd fret on A string, open D, open G, back to open D, then 1st B, open B, 2nd G, and open G. That's the end of the C part. So the second half was. Now into the G part, all right? So what you do here is to hold only the 3rd fret on the E string. You don't have to hold the 2nd fret A. Now when it comes to the pickings, we're gonna use that more when it comes to strumming later. But now for picking, just 3rd fret E string. And the full round goes. Okay, so the first half goes. So that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then open D, open G, back to open D, open B, open D, open G, and open D. That's the first half, a lot of open strings there, so slowly. And the second half goes like this. So that goes 2nd G string, open D, open G, open D, 2nd G, open D, 2nd G again, and open G. That's the end of the G part and end of the melody. So the second part in G goes. right. So there you have the full melody that goes like this from the beginning till the very end. And you can actually stay with this and just play it like it is. I'm going to take you through one round slowly and then speed up in tempo to standard tempo in the second round. So let's go. All right, beautiful melody there, but we can also now switch it up with some strumming. And if you go back now to the C, I suggest you start with this, okay? Just the 3rd fret on A string. We'll learn the strumming with that. So one strumming round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, then clap, up, down, up. This. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple rounds. And so on. All right. So, since we have changes in the melody with open strings and 1st fret B string here, for instance, in this C chord, I suggest you could go with just the C, okay, and play 2 full rounds. But I suggest you do 1 round with the just 3rd fret A string, everything else is open. And then in the second round, you add this 1st fret B string, since that comes with the melody then, and that will be more suited to have that with you in the strumming as well. So with that said, go with this for 1 round and then add the 1st fret B string on the second round, and that's it for C when it comes to strumming. Then you go to G, okay? So you go now to the full chord we learned with the 2nd fret on A string as well. You go with that for 1 round, and then in the end of, or the mid-second part of this picking pattern, we added the 2nd fret G string to the melody, and therefore I suggest you add that note as well in the second strumming round of G. So you go with this for 1 round of strumming, and then the second round you add the 2nd fret G string and fulfill the second round there on G, and there you have the strumming parts of the song. So C1, C2, G1, G2, like this. And it fits perfectly fine. That's how it is with music. It's mathematic and also feel and everything embedded into one great organism there. So anyway, a little bit poetic, but anyway, that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this LMNL04. This was special for you and all you Powfu and Jomie fans. Heart of Steel, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.